Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting TSX files to PDF. You can see on to convert file from my computer, I will download and install application from this website. I will link on website into description, and to find application, click on search and type TSX to PDF, and then click on TSX converter page and TSX to PDF link. And after that, I will click on download button to start downloading the process and wait until archive will be downloaded on my local computer. I will be recording more videos on TSX converter into different formats like CSV, Excel, etc. And also on application on how to create TSX files from different sources. So if you're interested, if you'd like to see more videos and more applications like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Yeah, we're waiting for archive to be downloaded. Sometimes Google Drive cannot scan archive, which is fine. Normally it can scan, so it's a good thing to have. This is why I prefer Google Drive, because it's scanning file before releasing them to make sure there is nothing wrong with the archive. So nice to have. So we are waiting for small file to be downloaded, but it's slow. Yeah, it's a little slower, but safety first. Okay, archive has been downloaded. I will click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive, and click more info on the screen. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start the installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed to my computer. I have a new shortcut my desktop, so I can click this, and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In first step we will select TSX file, one or many files if you want to have for PDF to have multiple files inside. So I'll click on this button, navigate to my documents, and select TSX file I would like to convert. Click on next step. On this step, I can specify size of the PDF. They can be from small to large, and they can be oriented landscape or portrait. So portrait is okay, and also I can select fields which I want to display into a result table. And for example, I want to display latitude, longitude, altitude, and maybe time. There is a time. Oh, there is no time. Okay. Alright, so just longitude, latitude, and altitude on from TSX. Click on next, and final step, we'll click run to create a PDF file. Click save. File has been created. It was asking me for name and location of the file, so this name location is okay. I can rename it if I want to, but for testing purposes this is okay. And I go to my documents, and here is PDF. I'll double click on it to open into default PDF viewer, and you can see we have a name of the file will be as the header of the table, and we have position, latitude, longitude, attract point, altitude matters. So, and it's like 4 pages of the data. So yeah, it will convert data, not entire like Google Earth thing, and yeah, into PDF. So basically that's it. If you'd like to see more applications like this and more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.